Welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. The second thing that you need to do is that you need to install a security plugin like Solid Security that makes your website more secure, as it adds some pre-made scripts to your website which makes your website more secure, and it has a lot of more features as well that you can use to set up two-factor authentication. You can change your backend URL and different things that we will explore later in the series. So now let's install the plugin and see how we can use its features. So here I am in my WordPress dashboard. So now let's install the plugin. It's a free plugin, so we can install it directly. So the plugin name is Solid Security. Let's install it. Click on activate. So I am telling you the plugins and the tips and tricks that I follow myself. So here you will see the security tab. You can just click on setup, can select which type of website it is. So let me just select portfolio and we can enable this. We will click on next. You can say whether it's your client website or your own, and you can enable this option as well. So here you can click on authorize my IP address. We will explore all of these options later on as well. And here you can click on next. You can enable this option, click on next, and you can select default one. Here you can click on next, just click on complete setup. So it is making our website secured, and here you can see our website is now secure. So we have successfully set up this plugin, but this plugin has more features that we will explore in this series.